Welcome back to lesson 52, subtracting three-digit numbers and dividing or word problems with equal groups. We're going to begin with doing some subtraction, and there's a lot of regrouping, so good luck on this. 3 minus 7 is, we have to regroup, so we're going to say 7. Oops. Come on now, little pen. There we go. 7, 13, so that makes it 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 7 minus 9. Gotta regroup. Let's see. 6. 17 minus 9 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2,286. Here we go. 4,000 minus 527. Here we go. Are we ready? 3. We're going to say 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus nothing is 3. So 3,473. Our next problem involves money. We got to keep our decimals all lined up. Here we go. We go take the 1, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. And finally, now we get into the real nitty-gritty. There were 35 people. There were 7 cars. The number of people in each car was the same. How many people were in each car? So there were 7 cars. The number of people was the same. The total was 35 people. So I take 35 and I divide it by 7. That gives me 5. And it lets me know that there were 5 people in each car. Our next one was 30 students were arranged in rows. 6 students were in each row. How many rows were there? So we have 6 students times the number of rows equals 30. And I take and say, oh, let's divide this in our 30 by 6. And we know that, because we know our math facts, we know that 5 is the number. And so n, once more, come on now, little pen, equals 5. And finally, Mr. Tran wanted to arrange his 29 students into 5 groups. About how many students will be in each group? Now, because of this, we don't have to cut anybody up or have any remainders. They're just wanting about how many. So it's not, we don't have to be exact. Well, I tell myself, he's wanting 5 groups. 29 is not 29 is a prime number, cannot be divided into anything, doesn't have any factors to break it down. But I do know that I can change this into something closer to 30. So I say, okay, let's pretend like we have about 30 kids and we're dividing them into 5 groups. I know that 30 can be divided by 5 6 times. It's beautiful. And so there are about 6 kids in each group. And there you have it. Please have a good time on the homework, and we will chat more later. Take care.